Hi everyone! Today, I'm going to show you a reliable and simple way to gain followers on TikTok without posting any content. As you can see on the screen, the followers are coming in quickly, and this method really works. First, let's start by visiting the website, rapidboost.net. This site offers a variety of services to help you grow your social media presence effortlessly. Once you're on the site, locate the TikTok followers section at the top of the page with other social media services. Here you can choose the number of followers you want to receive without having to post anything. The options range from a few hundred to tens of thousands, so you can pick the amount that suits your needs. This flexibility allows you to scale your followers as needed. After selecting the number of followers, the next step is to provide your TikTok profile details. You can either copy and paste the link to your profile or just your username. In this example, I'll copy my username and paste it into the website. This ensures that the followers are directed to the correct account. Once you've entered your profile details, click Next to proceed. You'll need to fill in some basic information to complete your order. Enter your email address, first and last name, and optionally your country and any notes related to the order. In the summary, you will also see the number and type of services purchased, as well as their price. After filling in your information, click Place Order to move on to the payment page. I'll make the payment now, and I'll see you shortly once the payment is completed. As you can see, the followers have arrived on my TikTok profile without me posting anything. This method is quick and easy, and you can see the results almost instantly. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.